Hi, good morning. Paul here. Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway Nevada Properties. Today is the 13th of June, 2019. Let's see what's going on with the greater Las Vegas real estate market. New listings. Okay, there's already been 20 of them put in today. Let's see what we got here. From the beginning, condo, $200,000, 3-story condo. Wow. Nice pictures. Okay, and it's on Durango and Warm Springs. Well, let's do the 215. Okay. Then the most expensive is this 1.388 million. Single story, nice home. Too bad the picture's crooked. Pool, spa. 3 pictures, okay. Orchard Mist. It's a 44,000 square foot house, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, pool and spa. Over on the west side. Okay. And then yesterday we had this house, place on Daisy. 2-story condo, 750 square feet. $3,801.5. Pretty rough neighborhood, it looks like. $79,900. Swenson and Twain by the airport by UNLV. Okay, good little rental. And we have look at all these prices. It's interesting. 315, 317, 318. Everything's coming into threes. That is really amazing. At 123. Clapped 115. We're still only at 340. 170. Wow. These are all yesterday's. Okay, so we have McDonald Ranch, 3.9 million. Nice parcel, pool, spa, basketball court. Interesting front door. A couple of waterfalls on each side. View aquarium. Just open air to the outside. Nice kitchen. Looks a little dated, but nice kitchen. Wow. Big house. And it is right there in McDonald Highlands. 9,000 square feet. Whoa. 6 bedrooms, 9 baths. I wonder how big that lot is. 3/4 of an acre. Huh. Whoa. Okay. That's about it for that. Let's go see under contract. We have 678 under contract. Plus 2 of them are 449 sold. This was reported today. $240,000 single family home. Wonder why they have a great big mirror in the living room. Maybe they just like looking at themselves or something. You know, close the toilet seat when you take your pictures. Big TV. With the toilet seat up. Okay, it sold for $240,000. Stewart and Nellis. Okay. Then we have 2-story condo, 724 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Okay. Pretty simple. $90,000 right off the Boulder Highway there. Okay. 12. $850,000. Sky Heights. 3461, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, built in 16. How much is this? $850,000. Wow. Must be in a really good area. I mean, it's a decent house, but gotta be the area. Yeah, over there. Okay. All right. So let's go into the search. Find out what's happening with pool homes with this 100+ degree temperatures outside. From 0 to 2, because I think we looked yesterday. 0 to 2, 55. Still not a lot. Okay, well. And we are going to see 463 is the list price, 2,600 square feet, $182 a square foot. 12,000 square foot lot, 2,800 square feet. Okay, well, that's what's going on here. Alright, I think that's it. 10 minutes in. I will talk to you tomorrow. You have a wonderful day.